Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here with a little bit of a haul, not much. I've been trying to be good and use my stuff in my stash and not buy so much, but there were some things I wanted that I picked up. But also I was really busy crafting. I had made a bunch of stuff for our get together on April 22nd. That's with the girls in Sacramento. And I had been busy with that, which I can't share with you until after that. But I also been busy. I did all my wedding invitations and a lot of stuff for the wedding. So it's just been chaotic. But anyway, let me get into my haul. The first thing I have is my Heidi Swap Stamp of the Month set, and this is a birthday, and of course that's useful forever. It's timeless when they're, for holidays and birthdays. So really cute set, and I like being in the club, but I think I'm about coming to an end of that, but we'll see. I also got from Etsy, Magical Mixery Store. I picked up some stuff. It came in this cute little bag right here. I had stuff in my cart with their store, not much, but I lost some of it because it sold out before I could get it. But what I did get was these tickets. I love that they had the star on them as opposed to saying ticket, because most times they say ticket. So I was really happy to get those. I picked up Tulle in aqua and pink in stars. It's really pretty. Has gold stars. Well, you see big, let's look at it, because those are big stars, and I don't think how do you open this darn thing? I think the bag has the big stars, not the Tulle. Hold on. Let me open it real quick so we can have a look. Yeah, see, the Tulle has just tiny stars. The bag had the big stars, so really pretty. So I got those. I picked up these bunny heads. They're really cute. They're probably an inch high. Picked up these sparkly stars, and these are probably 3/4 of an inch maybe. Really cute. They're very sparkly. I also picked up these teensy little hearts. They're sparkly too, like the stars. Really cute. So I got those, and then for a gift, she gave me some Tulle with, it looks like it's got hearts on it. Oh, let's see. It's open. Yeah. It's got some hearts on it, and it's like a rainbow Tulle or something. So that's interesting. So thank you. So anyhow, that was from there. Dollar Tree really quickly was nothing fancy. I did find another one of these that I wanted in my stash, as did I find one of those. I picked up a bunch of bags. I think their bags are so cute when they come out with spring colored stuff. It's so much fun. So I got those two. Those are 10 per package. And then I picked these up, which are like popcorn boxes in these colors, which I think are so cute. So I got those. And then I think the last thing from Dollar Tree was this folder. I really liked it because not only is it the folder, but this front part has a zipper pouch on it on the front. And I'm thinking I want to try it first. That's why I only got one. But for digitals that I print out, I don't know, maybe this would be a good place like to put the full sheets here, and then when I cut them I can put them in here. Right now I'm using those other ones from Dollar Tree, the teacher pouches, but oh, maybe this will work. I'm going to try it. We'll see. Next is from Peachy. I didn't really need this because God knows I have Maggie Galore, but it's Garden Party and has to be one of my favorites next to Bloom, so I just had to get it. You've all seen it, but it came with the 6x8. It came with the sticker pack, the thickers or whatever. It came with embellishment pack, which, like I said, you've all seen this. It's old, but oldie but goodie, It came with the sticker book, which I love having sticker books, so having one more doesn't bother me. I have probably, I don't know how many of her other ones. And it came with these Prima enamel pieces. So that was from there. And then this is my last item from, oh no, two more items, sorry. This one is from factorydirectcrafts.com. And so Jen, who is Strawberry Cream 39, had sent me a tag for Christmas, and on it was this trim, and I was crazy for it, and I had forgotten about it, and then I ran into it again, and I text her to like, Jen, where did that come from? And it came from Factory Direct Crafts. So I went ahead and I ordered a couple of them. Their shipping is a little bit high, even though these were cheap, but the shipping is a little high, so I figured I may as well throw in a few more things. So I picked up these chenille wire. It's really nice, actually. Let's see, I think of the blue one I could get too easy. It's wired, but it's very soft wire. It's not like a pipe cleaner either. It's just softer than that, and I thought for crafts this would be super nice, and these were inexpensive as well, and the colors were so pretty. So that was from factorydirectcrafts.com. And then the last thing, and my biggest item, was from scrapbook.com. It came with this as a freebie. This was a free gift from them, which was nice because this is a nice Ziploc bag. I like the shape of it. Anyhow, this was the freebie, and it's just a pack of colored paper. And then my purchase, I got, yay, the new Tim Holtz Tonic Studios paper trimmer. I need a trimmer like I need a hole in the head. I have several, but I'm opening it so we could look at it. Oh my gosh, it's big. This came on FedEx. It didn't even come by regular mail like normal their stuff does. This one came FedEx. So anyhow, this one's really cool. I was watching his live when he, showed it. It has a ruler up top to go to 12 inches. And it also has one right here, right here at the bottom for 12 inches, which is really nice. So you can line it up from top or bottom. Sorry, I can't fit all of it in here. It has this blade that's a rotary blade, and when you push it, you don't have to use a lot of pressure. It almost does the work for you. And the main reason that I got this, and the only reason actually that I got it, since I have so many trimmers, is that it cuts chipboard and it cuts pleather, cork. It cuts all kinds of things that my other trimmers will cut, but with difficulty. So I was watching him use it. He said he's been using it for a year. The blade that he has is still as sharp as ever. And I tend to believe that because I have one that I've had for many years and the blade is still really, really sharp. So anyhow, I ordered it when I wanted it when it first came out. It was in my cart, and before I knew it, they sold out, so I had to wait for the second round. But anyhow, I will give you an update later once I get to play with it. I just opened it. I just got it, so I haven't been able to play with it, but I did want to show it in case you're interested. And again, this is the new Tim Holtz. They call it a rotary media trimmer because it can cut other things, and that makes it worth its weight in gold. Like even here it says chipboard, canvas, cardstock, paper. I saw him do cork. He did other stuff. So you just can watch that video or check it out yourself. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye, y'all.